Good afternoon, guys. How are you today? I hope you are having a good time. Life is beautiful, mate. Yeah, at the moment I am alone here in this beach. The name of this beach is Box Beach, and of course, as expected, there is no people here because it's winter time. Yeah, and at the moment it's very windy. You can see those waves. Yeah, very strong waves and very strong wind. At the moment I am having this, as you can see, I have this lapel. Yeah, nice. This is for me to be able to speak and without any wind noise. I hope it is working very well because this is my first time to use this outside the house. Yeah. And another thing, I am going to show you my bike because I am trying to make my bike really useful. This is electric bike. I have this bike for almost 1 year. Yeah, just 1 month more. I have this for 11 months, so almost 1 year, man. I just came from the bike store and I asked the guy there to fix my brake because it's very loose. Yeah, I paid $10, and I also bought a WD, the oil one, and it's $5. Yeah, it's in my backpack. And they give me some advice to maintain this bike. This is very heavy, mate, this camera. I think I'm going to use just my GoPro with this gimbal. It's easier. Yeah, because of the rain last time, my bike is very dirty. A lot of sands. You can see there, here, there. Yeah. I cut my hair like a stylish haircut. Yeah, I cut it like this. I cut it only on the side, only on this side, and only on this side, and I keep the one on the top. Yeah, today I am going to cut my hair. As you can see, this is already long. I bought this clipper like 2 months ago, and I used it already before, and this will be the second time that I'm going to cut my hair. Yeah, mate. I need to take the camera to take a picture because I noticed that here is more. Yeah. There's too much hair here. No, I can't take the camera because I am naked and the window is open. No need, mate. In the Philippines, the haircut is very affordable, like maybe at least or minimum 50 pesos, and 50 pesos is around $1.50, something like that. Here in Australia, the haircut, the cheapest would be $10, especially if you're students, $10. The regular one is $12 to $15. And the expensive one is around $30. And the hair cutting equipment, like the one that I used to cut my hair, is cheaper than the haircut in the shopping mall. This is $25, and the haircut in the shopping mall is $35. Yeah guys, I just finished the shower. Very cold. Yeah, I also already cleaned the floor. Yeah, before taking the shower, I cleaned the floor first. This is how it is now after the haircut. And I think in the back side it's not really even. It's, yeah, for you, you can see more than me. Yeah, it's not even, right? Yeah, and this is how it looks. No problem, right? It doesn't matter if it's good or bad, but you know, because you know, I'm always wearing a cap. Where's the cap? Yeah, I'm always wearing a cap, so people will not see it actually. That's it, mate. I don't know how to make it nice. Yeah.